Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to solve the issue. Your Valorant screen is stuck in the loading screen itself. So here you can see this is the loading screen and it is basically stuck for like 5 minutes or so. So I'll be showing you how to solve this. So first just press the start button. You'll be coming to the desktop, alright. So here in the bottom just right click and you'll be having an option called as task manager. Click that, and in the task manager you will be having an option called as Valorant running in apps. Just right click it and just click on end task. And even in the background process, if you're having anything related to Valorant, any particular task or service related to Valorant or Riot, please end that task. So here you can see Valorant, so just end it. Yeah, so I think now we are good. There are no tasks related to Valorant or Riot. So I'll just now close the task manager and now trying opening Valorant again. It will surely open. So here you can see Valorant has now loaded for me. So just try this, basically you will solve your issue. So I hope you would have found this video useful. Do subscribe and support me. Mine is a programming channel. I've done many videos in that. Check the playlist. Thanks for watching.